Well, I can still see sunlight outside, so it's a good indication it hasn't done it yet.
Come on, Scarlett, jump. Pinky, where had my accent?
Don't let go of that. Don't press any buttons and don't let go.
No. I had my accent. You're not going to jump?
What?
You're not going to jump?
What?
I thought you were going to jump.
No.
Why not?
No!
No, why not?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, why not?
Oh, no.
Yes! Why aren't you going to jump?
Okay.
You're going to jump anyway.
What?
Jump anyway.
Can you want come?
Be like at home,
No.